In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create product bundles on Shopify. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin so you are on the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click Products. This is where you manage everything you sell, including individual items and grouped offers. Inside the Products area, click Bundles under the Products menu. This section is designed specifically for creating a single bundle product that is made up of multiple existing products. Once you are there, click Create Bundle to begin building a new one. Now enter a clear, descriptive title for your bundle. Choose something that helps customers quickly understand what they are getting, because this title will show up as the bundle product name in your store. Next, click Select Products and choose the items you want to include in the bundle. Make sure you pick products that are already set up correctly in your store, since the bundle is made from these existing listings. After selecting your products, adjust the quantity for each one. This is where you define what the customer receives in a single purchase of the bundle, such as one of one item and two of another. Take your time here, because the quantities determine the bundle contents. When you are ready, click Save and Continue. This moves you into the product details portion of the bundle setup, where you will make the bundle look and read like a polished product page. Add media, such as a product image that represents the bundle clearly. A strong image can reduce confusion and improve conversions. Then add a description that explains what is included in the bundle and any helpful details a customer would want to know. After that, set the price. This is the amount customers will pay for the entire bundle, so confirm it matches the value you intend to offer. Before finishing, set the product status to active. This is important because an active status allows the bundle to appear in your sales channels depending on how your store is configured. Finally, click Save to publish your changes and complete the bundle setup. And that is all there is to it.